welcome back to CoinCrafts, the place where we turn simple ideas into real income. In today's video, I am going to break down exactly how I made over $1,000 from websites in just 7 days. No full-time job, no special tech skills, no expensive investments, just a few smart tools and consistent effort. If you have ever wondered whether people truly make money online without a huge social media following or a professional business, the answer is 100% yes. And today, I will walk you step by step through how I did it. Plus, you will learn the exact websites I used, the tools that helped me work faster, and how you can copy the strategy even if you are starting from zero. Let's jump right in. I know you are probably wondering if this is real. So first, let me show you some proof. Last week, I took screenshots of my PayPal account, my Gumroad dashboard, and my Fiverr income page. Of course, I have blurred out my personal details for privacy, but you can clearly see that over the course of 7 days, my combined earnings from these websites crossed the $1,000 mark. It is not millions, but $1,000 in 7 days is enough to pay for your rent, groceries, or to put aside for your next vacation. For me, that 1 week of effort created new income streams that continue making me money today. Let's start with Fiverr, one of the simplest ways to earn as a freelancer. On Fiverr, I offered basic digital services like writing blog posts using ChatGPT to draft the articles for me, creating social media posts with Sonyua's templates, designing simple logos for small businesses using free design tools. In my first week, Fiverr alone brought in around $450. The best part, most of these were quick gigs that took less than 1 hour each. When you are starting on Fiverr, I highly recommend setting your prices lower in the beginning to attract your first few clients. Once you gather 5-star reviews, you can raise your rates. For example, my first blog post gig was just $10, but after I received 5 positive reviews, I increased it to $25. Eventually, some clients even ordered packages worth $50 or more. Next up, Gumroad. If you enjoy creating things, this platform is a goldmine. I used Gumroad to sell digital products like AI-generated ebooks on productivity tips and digital marketing basics, printable planners and habit trackers made in Sonyua, Instagram story templates to help content creators save time. In total, Gumroad earned me about $320 that week. These were all digital downloads, which means once I uploaded the product, I didn't need to do anything else. People bought the product, Gumroad delivered it automatically, and I collected the payment. For those wondering how to make a digital product, I opened Sonyua, created a 12-page productivity planner, saved it as a PDF, and uploaded it to Gumroad. It took less than 2 hours to finish. I priced it at $5 and sold about 64 copies over several days. The third website I used was Medium. Medium pays you when people read your articles. Thanks to their partner program, all you need to do is write helpful or interesting articles, publish them, and let the platform bring in readers. I wrote about topics I knew something about, how to use AI tools to save time, simple ways to start a side hustle, personal growth tips for beginners. From Medium, I earned around $130 in 1 week. And the beautiful part is, these articles continue to earn every time someone reads them. Even old articles from last month still bring in some income today. If you are not sure what to write about, start by searching trending topics on Google Trends or Answer the Public. Pick something you know or are interested in learning. Finally, let's talk about Teespring, a print-on-demand platform where you can sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without holding any inventory. I created some basic t-shirt designs using Sonyua and Midjourney for the slogans. For example, I made a retro design that said "Future Millionaire Loading" and another one with a funny quote about coffee lovers. I uploaded the designs to Teespring, set the price at $25 per shirt, and promoted them on TikTok and Pinterest. In 1 week, I sold about 4 or 5 shirts and made roughly $100 in profit. Not bad for an experiment that took less than 1 day to set up. So what is the secret that helped me earn $1,000 in 1 week? Honestly, it was not some complicated system. It was speed. Instead of waiting for perfect designs, perfect content, or a perfect website, I simply launched fast. I used tools like ChatGPT to write fast, Sunua to design fast, and free platforms like TikTok and Pinterest to promote fast. I focused on websites that already have traffic, like Fiverr, Gumroad, Medium, and Teespring. That means I didn't need to build an audience from scratch. Here are the 3 rules I followed. Rule number 1. Done is better than perfect. Launch your product or service even if it is not perfect yet. Rule number 2. Start small but start today. Offer something simple first and upgrade later. Rule number 3. Stack your streams. I didn't rely on one website. I combined for different ones. That made it easier to hit $1,000 in a week. Now let me break down how you can do this for yourself. Step 1. Pick your platforms. Start with Fiverr and Gumroad. They are beginner friendly. Step 2. Use free AI tools. ChatGPT can help you write descriptions, ebooks, or social media posts. Sunua can help you create logos, planners, or t-shirt designs. Step 3. Post your offers. List your services on Fiverr. Upload your products on Gumroad. Publish your articles on Medium. And launch your t-shirt designs on Teespring. Step 4. Promote on free social media channels. You can post TikTok videos showing your designs, create Pinterest pins for your products, or post Medium links on Reddit. Step 5. Be consistent. I worked on this every day for at least 2 hours. If you can dedicate a little bit of time daily, you'll start to see results. Here's a realistic income breakdown. Fiverr, complete 10 small gigs at $25 each, that's $250. Gumroad, sell 65 ebooks or planners at $5 each, that's $325. Medium, get enough reads to earn $130. Teespring, sell for shirts for $25 each, earning $100 in profit. Total weekly earnings, about $805. And with a bit more effort or one viral post, hitting $1,000 is totally doable. The key lesson: you do not need a fancy business plan, a huge YouTube channel, or thousands of followers. You just need to start. Start with the skills or tools you already have. Use AI tools to save time. Big platforms with built-in buyers. And most importantly, take action. Will you earn $1,000 every single week? Maybe not right away, but if you stay consistent, even $200 or $300 a week could make a big difference in your life. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tap the like button. It really helps this channel reach more people like you. Leave a comment below and tell me which website will you try first: Fiverr, Gumroad, Medium, or Teespring. And of course, hit the subscribe button for more real-world money-making strategies every single week. Thanks for watching Coin Crafts, where we craft coins, one smart hustle at a time. See you in the next video.